Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, pass, continue, and break are control flow statements that help you manage the flow of your code in different ways. In this tutorial, we will explore each of these statements along with code examples to illustrate their usage. The pass statement is a null operation. Nothing happens when it is executed. It is used as a placeholder when syntactically some code is required but you don't want to execute any specific action. In this example, the pass statement is used when I is equal to 3. It allows the loop to continue without taking any action for that specific condition. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside a loop for the current iteration and move on to the next iteration. In this example, when I is equal to 2, the continue statement is executed, and the loop proceeds to the next iteration without printing the value of 2. The break statement is used to exit a loop prematurely, regardless of the loop condition. It is often used when a certain condition is met, and you want to terminate the loop immediately. In this example, when I is equal to 3, the break statement is executed, and the loop is terminated, preventing further iterations. Understanding the use of pass, continue, and break statements in Python can enhance your ability to control the flow of your code within loops and conditional structures. These statements provide flexibility in managing code execution based on specific conditions. Remember to use these statements judiciously, as misuse can lead to code that is difficult to understand and maintain. ChatGPT